shop, and we have it upstairs that we've already been hearing things, already had things happen, and we ain't been here but about an hour. But we're looking forward to it. Stay with us. We'll see what we can find.
Yep, we ain't started yet, and we're just now going lights out, so bear with us. We've had a late start. Thanks. Where'd you put that ball? Okay. There's a ball up there by the stairs. Can you move it?
Place. Manual.
Sure enough, two of them.
Those two of them? Yep.
Matching.
I just heard a knock.
Keep it too powerful for it, yeah.
Is that you?
Anybody up there with us? Talk to me.
Are you on knocking twice?
No?
No.
That's 3 times I heard it. Are y'all hearing it?
Mm-mm.
No.
Do it again. Hey guys, this is our first update from our first round. Let you know before we even started, every time we talk about any kind of activity, we had activity. We were downstairs hearing some of the claims and a loud bang happened. You'll probably hear music. Somebody down the road is having loud music. Makes it hard to investigate, but you know, we've done worse. It ain't nothing to me. I don't get aggravated. But our first round, we kept hearing movement upstairs. Kind of like a kid running back and forth. We got a girl's name. Her name's Ellen. The boy did verify his name was Howard. Ro and Mom was down on the main floor, and they had someone step on Ro's foot, and they heard noises as I would key up and ask them if they heard noises, and they heard it coming from upstairs. None of us was moving. So our first round proved to be really good, and even before that, we had activity. Like I said, every time we would talk about any claims, something happened.
Metal chair sound.
Yeah, it was like a metal chair sound, like one of those fold-up ones that you slam down. It sounded like that. And it's pretty interesting, so stick with us. We'll try to do a live EVP so y'all can, you know, listen with us and see if you hear anything. And here in a minute, we're getting ready to have the whole team go up. We had guys upstairs, women downstairs, but it's pretty cool. How you doing, Dreamer? I don't know what to get of it, because I mean, I've usually first round you don't get things starting right off, but we know it's a kid. Our trainee Frankie had a poke on his back like they were trying to get his attention. He set a ball that's been known to move on top of the stairs and asked him to move it. So if we go up there and it's downstairs, well, nobody's there. I mean, we're in plain sight and knowing nobody's walking up there. So stick with us.
Yep.
What was that?
That was him. Did you move your foot?
Yes.
No. It was over there.
Is that you?
Mm-hmm.
Push that ball. What was that?
What
I
was
heard a
that?
bell.
That was the bell. Is that the one behind you?
That, yeah, that's
That is
that.
behind
That
you.
was that.
Thank
It's
you.
moving. It's
Wow.
moving.
It rang. I never heard that
We heard it.
the first time.
So if you heard that bell ring on Facebook, let me know, because we just heard this bell right here just ring. And nobody's there. Everybody's at the table.
Yeah.
Sorry if I blind y'all.
See, when we did control questions, there was a sound from in there.
It's moving.
That
Sure
is
is.
the first time we had something really big.
Thank you so much for ringing that for us.
Yeah, that was wonderful.
Can you do that one more time for us, just please? Just one more.
Sarah says she heard it.
Yeah, Steve, don't get close to the spider. It might bite you.
Joe just knocked.
Nope.
No.
Nobody moved.
Nope.
No.
I heard 3 fast.
Yeah, I did too.
That's not the bell, but thank you anyways. You hear that?
I heard that.
I heard a giggle. What sound like a giggle?
A little girl.
Can the little girl come across the obelisk and tell what your name is?
Actually. Hey guys, hold on. I had a turn where you could see me. Well, apparently not. Okay, so we're going to do a live EVP.
Look here.
I'm just going to run the phone. K2's going off. And we're going to see if y'all can hear anything. You'll probably hear music going, but we hear a lot of footsteps up here. We've been hearing banging, all that, so let's see what we got.
It's close to us.
It is dark, so you just got to bear with us, just listen. We're on what's called Facebook. You all probably do not know what that is. It is a social group. We got a bunch of people that's on it. They'd like to hear you. On our obelisk, can you speak? Right there. And say your name. You can really hear that music.
Mm-hmm. Can the little girl come across the obelisk and tell what your name is?
Actually, I'll tell you what. I'll turn on a flashlight for him.
It said something.
Did?
Okay, well, we didn't get it though.
Hear that down there?
My flashlight ain't coming on, guys.
A little technical
Hard.
difficulty.
Okay, well, I used to be able to turn my flashlight on while I'm doing this. Some reason I cannot. Where's my flashlight on this darn? Okay,
Can't.
we'll just run this light.
Hear it?
There you go.
Some reason Facebook's updated and we cannot use flashlight. Oh, look at all that dust.
Jeff walked across there, so it's dust.
Yeah, probably said it'll just get stirred up.
Can you knock for us?
Can you move that ball?
Either one of them.
What was it?
Numbers.
Numbers.
There's two balls. One's a little green. And if you push this one, look.
No.
Okay, it ain't doing it.
That's it.
Hold on, guys.
And that one.
There we go.
Heard it.
You push that one, it'll flash. When we scoot back, what? Push that ball. What was that? I heard a bell.
That was the bell. Is that the one behind you?
That is behind me.
That was that.
Thank
It's
you.
moving. It's
Wow.
moving.
It rang. I never heard that.
We heard it.
First time.
So, if you heard that bell ring on Facebook, let me know, because we just heard this bell right here just ring. And nobody's there. Everybody's at the table.
Yeah.
Sorry if I blind y'all.
See, when we did control questions, there was a sound from in there.
It's moving.
Sure is first.
Thank you so much for ringing that for us.
Yeah, that was wonderful.
Can you do that one more time for us, just please, just one more?
Sarah said she heard it.
Awesome.
Oh, man.
Mother.
That was great. Let me turn my back toward it again. All
Are
right.
you looking for your mother?
There's that little girl. The one that rang it.
Let's get this ball
If you're looking
flashing.
for your mother, ring the bell again.
At the end of the night, we can help you find her. I promise. Just stay with us.
Are you the one that said daddy earlier?
Adultery again.
I have an idea. Let's play a game. We ask you questions. If the answer is yes, you ring the bell.
There was movement just behind me.
Do you want to play the game? If so, ring the bell.
That ain't working. I'm trying to get it to where it ain't bright.
Chain. You will, kind of like, yeah.
I love that flashlight.
I don't see the bell in the flashlight.
Just barely.
There it is.
Movement behind me.
Mm-hmm. They're getting more active.
There is no wind. Ain't moving now. Move that bell again.
It wasn't wind to move that thing, that bell.
Oh no.
What did
Okay.
it say?
I
alcoholic.
First question. Now remember, if the answer is yes,
Hi,
you ring
Carol.
the bell. That's my phone. Are you a child?
That ball moved,
I kicked it earlier.
but it was over there though.
Yeah, I kicked it and it rolled back over here. Trying to get him.
Are you an adult?
Were you murdered?
Whoa.
I heard that.
Watch out, Steve.
Oh my God. That was my ankle.
One epic text coming your way. That means this text consists of pure epicness.
Sorry, that's somebody sharing our page or video or something.
Demand.
I demand you to ring the bell.
They're going to throw the bell at you.
Yeah.
I demand you to move that ball.
There we go. Somebody's got a good light.
Hit the bell with the ball.
Yeah, I just tripped.
Well, obviously you don't want to ring the bell anymore. That's okay. You rung it once for us, and we're very appreciative.
Yes, we are. Love to hear it again.
That was a loud, hard ring, too.
Yeah.
They run hard.
Did you put new batteries in that thing earlier?
I put them in right before I went downstairs and batteries drained.
I've never seen
Angie said bubble wrap.
I'm just wondering how many times that bell rung since we all been downstairs.
The recorder's been running the whole time. We got 3 up here.
Awesome.
So, all right. We've heard you all night walking through this area. Can you please, let me get closer to the green lights. Since we saw you're a silhouette, can you show our friends on Facebook? I already explained to you what Facebook was. It's just through this goofy little camera.
It should be shut down, though. They got curfew up there. They got curfew up there. Should be shut down already.
That bright light is our DVR camera. Right there. What did it say?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna trip again. It's really hard to maneuver a phone. Hey,
Oh, it moved
Enjoy.
a little- Well, you had that kicked over there, so it may have moved it.
that is very true.
Enjoy
K2's
it.
going off.
I didn't don't think the little ball was hit.
No, because it hit the K2.
Can you tell us how many spirits are up here?
Bell's moving again.
10.
10?
Is 10 the correct answer? Ring the bell if it's yes.
We might be outside the city limits too, I don't know.
I can see it moving from here.
It's moving more. Oh my God.
Please
Look at
ring
that.
the bell
Oh my God.
if the answer is yes.
Put your light back on.
10, are there 10 spirits here?
Spider.
Yeah, Steve, don't get close to the spider. Might bite you.
Joe just knocked.
No.
Nobody moved.
No.
I heard 3 fast.
Yeah, I did too.
That's not the bell, but thank you anyways. You hear that?
I heard that.
I heard a giggle. It
Yeah.
sounded like a giggle.
A little girl.
Did you all hear
I'm
that on
amazed.
Facebook?
I am amazed.
I didn't hear it.
It sounded like it was right beside you.
Yeah.
Now, I heard
This
something-
place is pretty wild, folks. This is a motorcycle shop. We're upstairs from the shop.
Watch that hole.
And
Was that a squeaking of a chair? Or?
Yeah, that was Steve walking.
that one was, but not the girl.
Oh, no, not the girl walking. Or just,
Don't run into a cobweb.
Is there mostly males up here?
Shoot it over just air.
Oh, okay.
I think Sarah said she heard it.
Oh, okay. It was a chair.
Oh,
What was?
I thought it was a giggle.
Do it again.
I heard that.
that was downstairs. That wasn't the
That
bell.
sounds like tools.
Yeah.
I'm about to lose my battery on mine.
You sure that wasn't the bell?
No, that was him dropping a tool.
Now that bell has a different.
The bell was loud.
I'll leave it there until it goes out.
Well,
That is
if you
true.
want to ring the bell, you know, I understand. Is there something else you can do for
It
it?
said hard.
Yeah, ring it hard.
Hey, will somebody go get the other all this so I can turn on energy mode? Give them like a little bit more energy to interact.
Is there mostly children up here?
Hey, Steve,
Yep.
my EMF detector thing here, I'm losing battery. Losing battery.
They like to drain our equipment. All right, folks, we're going to hop off here a minute, and we'll be back soon. Give my phone a minute to rest, and I swear we'll come back in for another EVP. Thanks for interacting. Hey, guys, just want to update. We had just had one of the best rounds we've had in probably the last 6 cases. Every team member was upstairs. We split up. We had Jeff and Frankie on one end of the upstairs. Mom row, myself and Jay was on the other end. We could not hear each other. On our end, we kept hearing a lot of footsteps, a lot of whispers. Again, Frankie was touched, I don't know, 2-3 times. It's a big old hand too, big guy. And the clients had described him as being real tall and all that. And then we called them up to us because, well, they start getting stuff, and we decided we're going to do controls. Now, if you don't remember what controls are, that's all of us going around asking a few questions and playing back in real time. This is the only case we've ever done where every question we had responses. You hear boots walking, nobody's up there moving. You had real breathy men that's talking. We had a woman talking and a child. And it's pretty wild. And if you can hear, I've been having problems with my voice. So it's trying to kick out. Jason's saying something, I don't know what he's saying. Hold on, I'm going to turn the camera.
I also have a woman crying upstairs.
Yes,
A lot of banging and thumping upstairs also.
a lot. I mean, it's almost all night.
Little girl, and I don't know if Frankie wants to say it, but he wonders if where he's into nursing, that's why they're attracted to him. And they're touching him like, you know, hey, I'm here kind of thing.
Could be. Jeff, you got anything to add? Nope. Frankie? Oh, camera shy. But stay with us. I don't know what I just touched, but hold on, guys. What in the world did I just touch?
Oh, gosh.
Oh, no.
We'll go to Egypt.
Oh, there we go. Okay, anyway. There's the right button. Oh, let me move out of the way. But stay with us. We're going to go up there, and this time we're going to key up live and do an EVP session with you. So stay with us. Give us about 15, 20 minutes. Well, not 20. About 10, 15.
Mine, that's what I was saying there.
Hey, guys. I'm trying to get it to where... Oh, I'll do it this way. Okay. We're going to do another live EVP with you all on here. It took us a minute. There was a bunch of drunks out back or out front. Father and son getting ready to fist fight, and he actually called everybody out here. This is I think a biker club. It's a biker shop, and they're bikers. You know, you don't tell a biker, come on and fight me. So it was pretty interesting.
Idiots.
Yeah, or all of us just called them idiots. But
They're from the party up there.
yeah, there's a party going on, and they, you know, drunk people. It is what it is. But anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera. We don't have the lasers on anymore. Actually, I'm gonna turn that on.
Yeah.
It made them angry when I had it on earlier because they slammed the wall right there. So give me just a minute. I'm gonna turn them both on.
That's what the obvious said. What did it say?
Wait a minute. Is that the green too? Yeah. All right, guys, you are with us. This may be the last round. We're not sure. Depends on how the spirits interact.
When I was younger.
Kicking ball.
Not anymore.
That didn't work. There we go. All right, we're back up here. Mom's not up here. She's taking a break. You can ring the bell, knock, thump, toss a ball at me. Turn that ball on when it comes off. I need a light that isn't going to blind you all. Tell you what. Let's turn on my... Is that too bright?
No.
Is it?
If it is, you look straight at it.
What about that?
If I'm not looking at you.
Alright. Well, don't look at me. So we got Jason. We got Jeff. Frankie. And Ro. Mom's taking a break, and of course you got me. Well, that one don't do good for them, does it? Well, anyway, you see the lasers. Can you come up to this device in my hand and speak to my friends? Or not. That almost looks like a face out of the laser. On this screen, it looks like the lasers make a skull. Alright, I'm gonna sit down.
I can almost see that.
See if we can get interaction with you guys on here with us. That was me on the chair. Who all's up here with us?
Come on, talk to us.
Hey Jay.
Yeah.
Do me a favor. Do 2 knocks and count to 3. I can't do it.
Please repeat this. I guess, I don't know. I'm losing my mind. 1,
This sort of one.
2, 3.
Our big thumb.
It did, it was very faint.
Yeah.
Okay. I was going to speak.
Yeah, I'll redo that over. If there's any spirits up here tonight, I ask you please to repeat this knock. 1,
At the count of 3.
2,
Again?
3.
Angie said she heard knocks after.
I just heard a knock there.
Cut.
Cut? That's the first time we've heard that one.
Yeah.
We've heard murder, decompose, adultery.
Killed.
Now, killed.
Alcoholic a lot.
And now cut. Is that how you died?
You stabbed by an alcoholic?
Did
Come on.
somebody cut you?
Talk to us. You should have plenty of energy. You've drained every battery you got.
It said direction. I'm looking toward the lasers, and I thought I saw or heard a sound. That's why I turned my light off.
Keep looking for movement down in those lasers. Oh, we got a new fan. One of the guy bought the lasers off of. He asked. He said, "Yeah, I told him I ordered another one." He said, "You ordered another one?" I said, "Yeah, we're paranormal investigator, and we use them to see the ghost." And he's a new fan.
What's his name?
It's just King Shop.
Oh, okay. We've had a few 20 likes.
He's from Hong Kong.
Oh, sweet.
We're getting fans from
Tragic.
across the river. Across the
Tried it?
Yeah, way across the pond.
Since you can knock, I know you can manifest yourself. We've seen you. So our friends can see you. Can you move through those lasers? Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Real faint tap.
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 What? That's crazy.
You still alive?
Yeah.
Those lights aren't gonna hurt you. Just walk through them.
If they do hurt you, let me know.
Huh.
Light.
Light.
Light. See, it's interacting with us because it's mentioning what we're saying.
Yeah.
What was that?
Already.
Oh, yeah, behind that, yeah. I don't know if that stuff is settling or what.
Could be.
Heat change, I think.
However.
However,
However,
I think it's these metal. I always thought it was these
I
metal
was looking at the,
panels up here on top of us.
Yeah, it's where it's getting colder. It's probably settling.
could be.
Right now, I mean, those stumps earlier, no way.
No, the big pumps, no.
Angie said the bottom darkened out.
Bottom what?
I just got grabbed.
Oh, shoot, I can't see you. Where?
Right here on my elbow. Anything?
Here's that back.
Oh, scar, but no. Is it cold or? It's freezing cold. Jason was touched.
Did you hear that one back there?
Yeah, I did. Back that way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do something really, really loud. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2,
Fire.
3.
It sounded like your car.
Talk.
Where's your keys at?
Up here. I swear, I keep seeing one of the lights darken out.
I apologize for that, guys.
Let's try not to run into nothing this time. Okay. It's about midways, almost toward the camera there. I've seen it dark out. About right there where that light is. I can't see it on my phone. What?
17.5. I'll take it off.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I go by Fahrenheit. Oh, right beside me.
63.1.
There was a tap right beside me.
Isn't it 59?
They like to tap near this wall. What is with this wall?
Who are you talking to?
63.6.
On Melody, it says
Huh.
64.
All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off here, interact with my team. This will probably be the last round. I will update one more time before we wrap things up, but bear with us. And again, thank you for interacting.
Back again. It's just about time to close up. We've been here quite a while. It is 1:30, and time for closing that. We've had quite a few things happen. We've really been impressed here. The bell ringing was, we all just standing there with our back to the bell, with Steve had his back to the bell, and it started ringing. That really blows my mind. Steve, you want to step in here?
Pass the phone off.
It's been an amazing night, like you said. The bell rang, you had footsteps, you had talking.
Yeah.
Before we had broke down, I come away from the team by the stairs, I heard movement. And I said, is anybody over here? And I heard a deep voice say hello. Asked the crew if they said it, nobody spoke. And I invited them to come over. Then we heard, some shuffling again. I mean, it's been all night that we've heard walking. We've heard tapping, we've heard knocking, we've heard whispers, we've done controls. And I don't think there's a case we've ever done where every question we had an answer.
Yeah.
And up here we did.
Intelligible.
Oh yeah, it's been an amazing night. We got more than what we anticipated. which is always good, and it's a full moon, which kind of fuels it. So we can't wait for analysis to see what we get. So stay with us and watch our page, and you'll see the updates.
Yeah. Roe, this is one of our investigators. This is Roe.
And again, ignore that. We're not flipping you off.
Behind you.
I'm telling our fans we're not flipping them off.
Okay. Upstairs, people were being touched, and the only thing I can tell you is that my ankle felt like someone was getting a hold of my ankle and squeezing it. But yeah, as he said, thumps, noise, sounds. It's been a real active night.
Thank you. You want to step in here and tell them about the?
I always want to have you do it.
Well, Jason had his elbow grabbed, and Steve reached over, felt where he said it, and it was ice cold. So that was good. It has been awesome. Thank you guys for all your remarks and keeping up with us. Stay with us. We really appreciate your help. We really appreciate you being on our pages. And that's it for tonight. So be good. God bless, and we'll see you soon.
What do you think of us coming out here and talking to you? It's a little kid.
1, 2, 3.
Keith, you hear that thump?
Yeah. Frank, are you touching Frank? Whoa. Do you hear that?
Uh,
There's a pop.